Good night, Clear. Let's read the story. Okay? Oh, I know you want to read it. Here we go. It was a dark and stormy night on Plum Street. In the little white house, Mrs. Bear was putting Sam to bed. Ready now, Sam? Oh, no, said Sam. I'm waiting. What's Sam doing in his bed with the red blanket? Reading? He's reading a book. Mrs. Bear sat on the bed beside Sam, and they read his favorite book, and they both knew all the words. Clear, look. Afterward, Mrs. Bear pulled one side of the blanket way up high under his chin, and the blanket was red. She pulled the other side too, tucking it in under his toes like a nest. Outside, the wind blew. Ooh, ooh. Ready now, Sam? Oh, no, said Sam. I'm waiting. Mrs. Bear arranged Sam's friends in the bed, and they all snuggled close in the blanket that was red. Outside, the rain came down, splat on the roof, splat, splat on the windows. The wind blew. Ooh. Ready now, Sam? Oh, no, said Sam. I'm waiting. Mrs. Bear poured milk in 2 glasses, and they both drank milk, and it was warm sliding down. Afterward, Mrs. Bear yawned. You must be ready now. But Sam shook his head. I'm waiting, he said. Said Mrs. Bear. Let me think. We read a book and made a nest, arranged your friends, and had warm milk. Sam, she said, what did I forget? You know, said Sam. Said Mrs. Bear. Book, blanket, friends, milk. Book, blanket, friends, milk. Sam waited. And then at last, Mrs. Bear said, oh, I know. Kiss good night, Sam. And she bent way down, kissing Sam once, and twice, and then twice more. Again, cried Sam. Again. And she bent way down, kissing Sam once, and twice more. Outside the wind blew, and the rain came